Nikko's fusion of nature and history truly boasts breathtaking beauty. Nikko is not just a tourist destination, a work of art woven by nature and culture. The powerful flow of Kagan Falls and the tranquil beauty of Lake Chuzenji will deeply touch the hearts of those who see it. This is a place where you can feel the power of nature and the weight of history, and is one of the scenery that symbolizes the beauty of Japan. Its beauty stands out especially when the leaves turn red in autumn, attracts visitors. By visiting this place, you can learn about the greatness of nature, and the Japanese culture that values it can be deeply understood. An unforgettable day in Nikko will be a special experience.